Okay, it's been 10 minutes here. Under heat. So let's see how this comes off, right? And Mr. Salon Life is doing his own nails today.
Okay then, apparently I am.
So, how are we gonna do this? Okay guys, this is 10 minutes, come on. This is the wipe free top coat.
Oh yeah.
The thing is, this is not wet. You know guys, don't use the clips. Because you know why? This has evaporated.
They're dry.
It's pretty much dry. This is not going to soak off any better if you leave it on for longer. Lesson learned. Use these things. Take 2.
Do you want to give it another 30 seconds?
Yeah. Right?
Alright.
Okay. By the time we're ready, it's going to be 10 minutes. Okay, which one is going to go first? This one?
Yeah, let's go with this one. That's better.
It ain't butterfly though.
No. It's coming off nicely though. There's no pressure.
Yeah, but it's not a butterfly. I want butterflies. Okay, I'm just trying not to damage my nails because I polished them. See, it's not so simple. You have to like help it, and it's still uneven, right? So I get these questions like, why do I buff? So I don't really buff the nail, but I just make sure that the surface is smooth, because if it's catchy, then the next coat of shellac is going to get caught on it, right? Okay. But you see, it's not a clean removal.
No.
Can anyone explain why this is happening? We did everything
To the book.
to the book, and also
By the book.
By the book. I'm repeating you, and you're just teaching me bad English.
Hey, don't blame me.
Also, we just did the base coat cured for 10 seconds. The polish was worn for how many days? We did it live on
Monday.
2 days. 2
Yeah,
days.
today's Wednesday.
Where's the butterfly? Thin coats. This is not a clean removal. I'm twisting. Again. Let's see. Not very clean. It's like,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So can anyone tell me, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Not clean. And the nails were not buffed. Remember?
Correct.
Yeah. So it's not like the buffing made it stick like too strong. So normally, like this, as you can see, just has a little bit of product. And normally what I would do is I would take the buffer. Well, don't take both of them. And it's actually better to take it off one at a time. And this was under heat for 10 minutes.
Those sparkles, eh?
Yeah, looks nice, but
Yeah.
see, it's not, no. I don't see butterflies. So guys, if you are using CND Shellac,
CND.
you know, properly, basically the full system, and if you are after 2 weeks getting the butterfly effect, please let me know
Let
how
us know how you do it.
the heck you're getting it done.
Because this is 2 days.
Yeah, and everything was applied nice and thin. Nothing was over-cured, nothing was under-cured. So I would like to know,
Correct.
how the heck do I get butterflies?
Heckins.
Heckins, I want butterflies. This is not a butterfly. So if I try to apply the, you see, look. It's kind of gross, sorry for like using my nail. But, you know, this is not clean. I can't apply shellac over this.
Can't apply what?
Shellac.
Oh, I thought you said like shellac.
Shellac?
Shellac.
We can't apply shellac over this.
No, no.
And I mean, I'm not gonna, without this stick, you can't really remove it properly because you can be rubbing and it's still not coming off.
Right.
So I don't know. Please let us know what the heck we're doing.
Heckins.